Majority of the students face difficulty while solving the numericals of thermodynamics. Actually, this chapter is not that much difficult because almost 80% of the numericals of this chapter can be solved by using very simple concepts. The only thing is you need to be very strong in your basics. That is, we come across many definitions in this chapter. If you are thorough with your definitions, this chapter is also very easy as that of the other. Hello everyone, I am Srinivas Bisala. You are watching Chemistry is Easy. In this video, let us solve a numerical based on a combined concept of thermodynamics and gaseous state. Here is the numerical. 1 mole of an ideal gas is put through a series of changes as shown in the graph, in which A, B and C mark the 3 stages of the system, and at each stage the variables are shown in the graph. And from this graph we need to find out the pressure at the 3 stages of system, and we need to also mention the process A to B, B to C, C to A, as well as the overall process. Let's understand what is the given data here. See, a system is changing from A to B, then from B to C, then C to A. And this is the volume axis and this is the temperature axis. So at A as well as at B, at A as well as at B, the volume is same, that is 24 liter. And for A and C, the temperature is 300 Kelvin, and for B it is 600 Kelvin. So this is the information given. From this we need to calculate the pressure at all these 3 stages, and we need to mention the process. Let us solve one by one. Now at stage A, volume is given as 24 liters and the temperature is 300 Kelvin. Number of moles is given as 1, and we know that R value is 0.0821 liter atmospheres per Kelvin mole. And here we need to find out the pressure under these conditions. So from gaseous state we have the formula PV is equal to nRT. Here we need to calculate pressure. Volume is 24 liters, N is 1 and R value is 0.0821 and temperature is 300 Kelvin. And rearrange this. So when you solve this, you will get the value as 1.026 atmospheres. So this is the pressure at stage A. At stage B, the volume is constant. The volume is constant, which is same as that of stage A. So I will write V as equal to same 24 liters. And this temperature, the temperature, it is increasing from 300 Kelvin to 600 Kelvin, isn't it? So the pressure will change whenever temperature changes by keeping volume constant. Can you recollect anything from this particular statement? Yes, you are correct. This is nothing but Gay-Lussac's law. So we have P1 by P2, which is equal to T1 by T2. So substitute these values. P1, that is the initial one, 1.026. P2 we need to calculate here, and temperature is 300 and this is 600. This goes 2 times. So we have the pressure at stage B as 2.052 atmospheres. Is it clear? So let us calculate at stage C. When C is converting into A, temperature remains constant and there is a change in volume. Again recollect the statement. Whenever temperature remains constant and here the volume reduced to half of the original value, because originally it is 24 liters at A, now it became 12 liters. Temperature is constant, the relation between pressure and volume is P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. We know the initial pressure as 1.026, initial volume as 24, then P2 we need to calculate and the volume is 12. So this goes 2 times, and here the pressure is nothing but 2.052 atmospheres. So that is about the calculation of pressure at the 3 stages A, B and C. Now let's solve the second part of the question. We need to name the process from A to B, B to C, etc. See here, from A to B, see what is constant here? Volume is constant, because at A volume is 24 and also at B the volume is 24, isn't it? So A to B, this is nothing but isochoric process, isn't it? Now let us see the change from B to C. See, from B to C, at B the volume is 24 liters and temperature is 600 Kelvin, and at C volume is 12 liters and the temperature is 300 Kelvin. So here the pressure is constant. Here the pressure is constant and volume and temperature are changing. How do you know pressure is constant? Check out your previous answers. At stage B, pressure is 2.052, and C, at stage C, then also the pressure is 2.052. So definitely this is nothing but your isobaric process, isn't it? So from B to C, I will write it as isobaric process. Then let's see what is happening from C to A. Here the temperature is constant. Wherever temperature is constant, that one we call it as isothermal process. And see what is this overall process? A to B, B to C and C to A. The system is coming back to the original state after a set of changes, and that is nothing but the definition of cyclic process, isn't it? So that is end of this video. I will come with a different numerical in the next video. Till then, keep studying. Thank you very much.